Hi, my name is Ron Cow, mechanical engineer from Illumina. At Illumina, we develop DNA sequencing technologies where DNA is like a recipe for building and maintaining a living organism. Well, our technology is to read that recipe, which allows us to better understand the diseases to improve our healthcare. I'm in a team called Factory of the Future, where we provide the best automation systems for manufacturing our technology. Specifically, I design and build physical equipment that is used for a product. For example, I designed a transfer system to help assist operators to move a heavy load of product from one manufacturing station to another. Currently, I'm working on developing an automated system that helps scientists run experiments to further their research. In three words, I would describe my job as to design, build, and to problem solve. The two skills that I use is creative problem solving and collaboration, where creative problem solving is understanding that issue and using all my knowledge to create something that addresses that issue. And in collaboration, I have to work with different people to really understand that problem. And very rarely do I work by myself to come up with the best ideas. It takes a whole group of people to develop and deliver a great idea. So my day starts with a good breakfast and a good cup of coffee. And typically, I'll meet with different teams and for specific projects so I can go over statuses, collect ideas, or gather more information. I'll also spend time working on designing on a software called SolidWorks, where I can virtually design a system that I'm working on so I can have it work in the virtual world before I actually spend money and build it. And if I want to take it further, I can actually have it 3D printed so I can have it in my hands to really get a better feel of that system and that solution. If I'm lucky, I'll get parts for a design that I'm working on, and I actually get to build it in our engineering lab. And sometimes I even get to use a laser cutter to cut out parts for that same design. The best part of my job, though, is that I get to solve some really difficult problems and to have some real big impacts, and to see something that I worked really hard on come to life. And I get to be a part of developing that new technology and to get to use all sorts of tools to do that. Really, I'm just a pretty big nerd, and I like to dive deep in everything I do, such as my hobbies, such as mountain biking, or working on my cars, or more recently, trying to improve my cooking. And the idea of constantly getting better and getting more deeper understanding of anything that I do is really applicable to my work, as I always try to design the best and better solutions. And I try to make sure that I have a real impact on something as great as transforming human health. Thank you for listening.